Hey, this is Nick at Arlo. I just want to take a couple of minutes to introduce you to Zapier version 2, our latest integration update. Run you through what's new and what you need to do to update your Zaps to make sure they keep running into the future. So the big new addition for this one is modular entities. That means when you pick one of your actions or triggers with a core entity, such as registrations, you're now able to choose what extra information you want to include in that. That means when you're building Zaps, it's going to be a lot quicker and easier for you to find the right fields, rather than being cluttered up with all the potential information in there. We've added in a new action, the create organization action. That means now for those marketing and CRM Zaps, it's going to be really easy for you to pass across both the contact information, create an organization, and then associate that contact to that organization, making sure you keep that sync and that parity of information between your different platforms. And finally, we've improved a lot of our searches, which now means you're able to search for information across most of the entities, pull that out of Arlo, and use that in other platforms. So I just want to quickly show you what it looks like to update a Zap from version 1 to version 2. You're going to need to go into each one of your Zaps and do this. This is part of the transition period between version 1 and version 2. But once done this one time, you're not going to need to do this for a future update. This is just as we make that change across. So we've got a pretty basic version 1 Zap here. All I need to do is go into this. This could be a trigger or an action. Go into the Choose App, search for Arlo again, and it's already going to say Arlo Beta for you. You just need to reselect that, go back in, find the same trigger event or action event you were using, select your account like normal, and it's going to be this next step that we see here, which is different. So this is now where I can specify what information I want to put across. So I can say I want the information, and in this instance, I need the contact information for the email. So with those two selected, I can go and test the trigger to pull the sample data in. We can see we've got some here, and we can see here this is the registrant information at the top. This is the extra contact. This is the extra event. Perfect. You then want to jump into whichever other steps you have already there and just make sure that these existing field mappings work. And if they don't, you'll need to update them. But most of them will pull through. Once you're done with that, it's probably worth testing that Zap again, and you can turn it back on and let it run as per usual. That's it. You can go through, do that to all your existing Zaps. We've got 6 weeks as a transition period, but the sooner you can do it, the better. That'll be you updated to version 2, and you can start using all the benefits. As always, if you need any help, just reach out to us at Arlo Support. Always happy to help. I look forward to seeing some of the Zaps you're creating. Brilliant. Thanks.